Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.